My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 Ford C-Max. This vehicle has done just over 84,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. On our screen we can access Apple and Android CarPlay, valet mode and voice control, navigation, mobile apps and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control. And as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 7 seats in total. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.